Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? Swift trying to move again. Guys. Let's have a look at it. Kind of a weird candle we had. Kind of a weird candle we had yesterday. There we go. So we kind of look, we shot all the way up last night. You guys remember, like 4 cents, 7,145. And then we wicked all the way down to 3 cents, 3.1. A lot of selling pressure there. That was probably when Bitcoin got pushed down for the monthly close, but we're still in the red on the 24, sitting at 3 cents, 773. But at the end of the day, guys, the good thing about this is that we're putting in, look at this. What is this? There's your low. What is this? A higher low. What are we putting in here? Another higher low, right? Continuing to the upside. That is the good thing. Building in layers of support is a very, very bullish thing, right? So don't let this deter you. Look what we had here. Big break, 2 candles to the downside, and then big break, right? We'll see what happens. Looks pretty good, guys. Looks pretty good. I'm bullish. I'm bullish for the next leg up. All right, let's get into the chat. Let's see what everybody's talking about. Isaac, what's up, buddy? What's up, Rob the Great? Yeah, they call me Future, brother. They call me Future. Hello, world. Access any good John. I don't know what that means, my friend. Access any good John. I don't know what that means. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Future and crypto millionaires. I love how you've changed that, brother, because we've printed so many millionaires over the last couple of weeks, guys. It's been one hell of an adventure. And I'm here for every little bit of it, guys. I'm here for every little bit of it. I get so proud and so happy when another member on the Patreon messages me and says, man, my portfolio just hit 7 digits, man. Thank you. That is phenomenal, guys. Or even when they say, man, I hit 6 digits. Some people are hitting 6 digits because they had smaller portfolios. That's awesome too, guys. Because listen, you're going to be able to compound if you're smart. You're going to be able to compound those gains into the next bear market and really make some life-changing wealth. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Sun is hot in the house. I don't know why my camera's been laggy. I don't know what's going on with that lately. I'm going to have to look into it. Go Time, what's going on, man? Good afternoon. The Mass Man. Be killing me with the countdown. I get all excited for your video, and then I have to wait. Blessings, brother. I know, man. I know. I apologize. But what we used to do is I used to just go live. I used to just pop on and go live. But what ended up happening is like we would be like half hour, 40 minutes into the live stream, and then most of the people would start coming in and be like, oh, YouTube never told me you were live, right? So that's why I started doing the countdown to kind of give people a little bit of a buffer of a time period to realize that we're going live, right? Because, YouTube is terrible with sending out the notifications. So we got to try to find ways around it somehow, right? Time to brew some coffee before the live. There you go. Exactly. Rob, my bad. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. What do we got? Hello, world. What's up, man? Who's holding mobile? I hold mobile, but I do not hold ACS. So, yeah. Go Time with the super sticker. Thank you so much, brother. Always appreciate the support, guys. It always means everything. You guys know that. It's absolutely amazing. Coach, who's winning the Royal Rumble? That's right. We got the Royal Rumble tonight, guys. What a star-studded lineup that's going to be. Roman Reigns, CM Punk. I could see the winner going in so many different directions. Seth Rollins. You could see a storyline laid out for almost all these guys. Sami Zayn. Just crazy, right? They really have me guessing this time. I'm going to watch it tonight. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. XCN, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Gamma Goddess, what's going on? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Rob and Godfather, the crypto fam. Let's get this money. I made it home. Nice. That's what I like to hear. Guys, as always, make sure that you smash like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, costs you absolutely nothing. And as I always say, guys, I mean, I'll love you forever. And who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to be loved forever, guys? Look in the mirror and ask yourself if you want to be loved forever. The answer is probably yes. Zebek, there you go, Shizzle. There you go, man. What's happening on the fine Saturday? Dumb money in the house. What time should I expect your call on the 9th? So for the one-on-ones, guys, I'm going to start scheduling more of them over on the Patreon now that we're at the first. Probably this evening, I'll start scheduling more of them. So what I'm doing now is I'm setting off blocks during the day. One block is in the morning between 11 and noon. These times are always central, by the way, right? And the second block is between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Central. So you need to be paying attention to your Patreon DMs if you have a scheduled AMA with me, because that is when the link will be sent in those block times. So, Dana, I just noticed my YouTube pick is different from my Patreon. Nice. Crypto David, what's up, man? Another day to DCA before it's too late. Stay strong with diamond hands. Yes, I'm excited. I am actually going to be doing some shopping this evening, guys. This afternoon. Probably as soon as this live stream is over, I'm going to go put in some buy orders. I'm going to scoop some stuff up at these lows. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing, man. If you want to know what I'm buying, get over to the Patreon. Dumb money. Also know that I'm enjoying every minute of the market colors, ups and downs. I'm out left, right. It's all beneficial. Thanks for all you've done. Yes, exactly. Dumb money, man. You've got this locked down now, brother. Exactly. You got this stuff hook, line, and sinker, man. You're like, if it's red, boom, we're pouncing. If it's green, we're sitting back with a big smile on our faces, right, brother? That's what we do, man. That's what we do. Brian, thank you so much, brother, for the super sticker. I appreciate you, my guy. I appreciate you so much, man. What else do we have? Where was Dumb Money's comment? There it is. Green tea, what's going on? Hey, Robin Gang, sitting on my hands till game time. Eyes on the prize. That's right. Locked in, locked and loaded, man. No sleep zone. Anybody following Move? No, I don't know much about Move. Obviously, it's a move to earn project, though, right? Lord of the Realm, what's going on, brother? Batlander, what's up, man? Mary, how you doing, dear? Good to see you. Kush Bush in the house. What's going on? Go time. CBBV, what happened to yesterday's video? I already explained that over on the Patreon, right? On the right track, it had a little high. It had a little high earlier around 2 p.m. UK time. Swift did? Are you talking about Swift? Yeah, Swift. It's actually, it's up. It moved up 7.5%. It's up 7.5% right now on the day. Cat, there's Cat. Good to see you, Cat. Oh, house ACH going crazy again. Is it going crazy again? Is it moving again? Let's have a look. I'm gonna look at it. ACH. Yeah, well, it's up 9.3%. Yeah, it's a modest little move. I dig it. I like it. I pick up what you're putting down. Yo, what's up, Rodfather? Shane's in the house. What's good, man? Good to see you, broski. Baroski. Good to see you, man. Rob's still waiting for answers regarding the one-on-one. I'm starting to book more one-on-ones over on the... Yeah, I'm starting to book them after the first, so... Hey, Rob, I sent you a DM. Yep, I will get to my DMs today, guys. Holmes, what's going on? I burned through a whole bunch. I burned through over 100 DMs every single day, right? Your DM will get answered, right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Toshi ruining me. Is it ruining you? Are you in Toshi? What's Toshi doing right now? Try to find Toshi. Let's find Toshi. Everything kind of pulled back because of Bitcoin yesterday. Oh, yeah, it's down 17.8% on the day. And you know what? Honestly, it might not be a bad time to DCA into Toshi. Honestly, I mean, it's not financial advice. I'm just saying, like, if you're already in it and you bought high, maybe dollar cost average to bring your entry point down a little bit might not be a terrible idea either, right? Because I don't think that Toshi's done moving yet. Honestly, I don't. For full transparency, guys, I don't hold any Toshi, and I never have. Right? I'm just being given my opinion on it. Right? Yeah, I got to watch those meme coins. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. How do you feel about KASPA? I love KASPA. KASPA is one of my top bags. It's inside my top 5. Very bullish on KASPA. Not much invested, but damn. Sell when you're in profit. That's what you got to do, Liz. How are you, Liz? How you doing? Just wondering why the chat isn't up on. It is up from last. Oh, the video. Yeah, I'm not posting that video. I gave a reason why in the chat last night. If you go to the chat room for the video chats, you'll see the reason why. ACS on Coinbase. I hope I can get into the club tonight. I heard that the capacity increased to 500. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Overcome. What's going on, man? Just hold Karen. Yeah, it'll come back. Exactly. Yeah. Volks, what's going on? What's going on, buddy? We get it. Go time. We get it. Makes sense, mass man. Mark says, just joined the Patreon today. You the man. Let's go. Nice, Mark. Awesome to have you over there, brother. Awesome to have you. Good timing, man. I just increased the amount of people that can join the Patreon lives to 500 because our Patreon has been absolutely exploding. So I wanted to make sure that everybody could have the opportunity. So, yeah, good timing, man. Good timing. The lives have been going nuts. Been going absolutely nuts. That's a good thing. It's a good thing. Rob's my daily crypto news. There you go, man. There you go. Cornstar. Have you researched Wormhole? All black hole transactions run through it dirt cheap. I have not looked at Wormhole. I think I've heard of it, though. It sounds familiar. Wormhole. What's the ticker? Wormhole. I think I've looked at this before. Yeah, is this it here? Is this your Wormhole? It's on Solana, $668 million market cap. 28 only 28% of the supply is in circulation. I'm not a fan of that, but it can improve. It can improve. Interoperability, cross-chain communication. All-time high, $1.66. When was the all-time high? 10 months ago. It's got quite a few listings. Yeah, looks like an interesting play, man. Looks interesting to me. Mike, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for the super sticker. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you, man. Always means everything, guys, when you support the channel, when you send those, even the little super stickers, they really help support the channel. It means everything, man. Where are we here? Where are we here? Oh, lost myself. CA, what's CA? C Allen, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. I picked up another 500K XCN like gem. Nice. Puts me. There you go, brother. There you go. Is RLUSD taking over Tether? It's starting to seem like it, eh? Tether's getting delisted from a lot of exchanges over in Europe right now. Holy smokes. Yeah, like I think what crypto.com and Coinbase or something like that. 2 big exchanges announced they were delisting it over there. Is farming on XCN risky? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. XCN. Yes, XCN. I find a gem you don't know about. I'm pleased. Nice. There you go. Hello, everybody. Game dev in the house. James, hi from the UK. New to crypto at Christmas. 24. Bought XCN in January after finding your channel, and Caesar both talk about it. 203. So divide. Oh, sorry. So divide. So glad I took your advice. How much is the Patreon? The Patreon is only $15, my friend. It's only $15. So it's most other channels charge like $100 a month, guys. So to be able to have access to the community and to all the perks over on the Patreon for $15 compared to like the $100 that other channels are charging, it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So yeah. How we doing? Messaged you on Patreon for help about cashing out. Thanks to you, I made 6 figures of $5,000. Nice. There you go, man. I love to see how far you've come when I join around 3K subs. There you go, man. Awesome. Yes, you've been with me a long time. So I'm so happy for you, man. See, I love that. I love it when people, tell me like, look, Rob, like, look at this. I had 5K and it's 6 figures now. Thanks. That's phenomenal, man. I love that. That's why you guys got to get over to the Patreon, man. If you want to make those kind of returns, guys, for $15, really? That's a struggle. You know what I'm saying? Invest in your future. Rob, my dude, Dado, what's going on, brother? They have no clue what's incoming. They think it's going to zoom, but it's going to rocket. Yes, exactly. H-Bar tempting to buy more. Is H-Bar? Yeah, H-Bar's a great project. What's H-Bar doing right now anyways? What's H-Bar doing right now? H-Bar sitting at, where are we here? It's probably still around that 30-cent range, isn't it? I made a lot of money on H-Bar this bull run. I got into it below around 3 cents. And then it jumped up to 19 cents and I sold it. And then it dropped back down to 4 cents and I bought back in, and then it made this run up and I sold it again. So yeah. It's 29 cents right now. Yeah, might be kind of tempting, right? Might be kind of tempting. How long do you think this dip will last? We might be red for the weekend. We might be a little bit red and sideways for the weekend, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. We could start moving again next week. Monday is the first weekday of the month, right? So we could see, when markets open up, we'll kind of see what happens, right? The thing that happened last night, again, I got to give credit to Otaku because he brought it up. I completely forgot yesterday. I didn't bring it up, so I got to give credit to him. That's what we do here, guys. We give credit to people, right? We acknowledge people here. Otaku, he mentioned on his live stream yesterday. That's why you got to subscribe to his channel too, because I forgot to mention this and he did. Why we had that dip yesterday on Bitcoin and the altcoins is because we had massive options expire yesterday on Bitcoin. He remembered and I forgot. So shout out to my brother from another mother there. Don't talk about the gems. Yes, exactly. 100%. Blessings, John. What's up, my friend? Good to see you, brother. Rob, would you get 600 pounds off your chest for Jasmy to hit 25 cents? In a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. Ashley, what's going on? What's going on? Just became a Patreon member. That's what I like to hear, Eduardo. Welcome to the family, brother. Welcome to the family. That's where we're going to make those gains, guys. That's where we're going to make those gains. We're accumulating another gem right now, guys, that I think is going to move in the near future like XCN did, man. And then people are going to be saying, oh, man, should have got in on that earlier. Yeah, you should have. Right? You can right now. You can right now. The option's on the table, guys. The link is in the chat. Focus. What's up, man? If you wouldn't mind, would you look at Virtual's protocol? Por favor, please. Yes, altcoin requests go in the tab at the top, guys. The goals tab, that's where your altcoin requests go, unless you're a member of the channel or the Patreon. Are you still in Helium Mobile? I'm a big fan of your videos. Yes, I am, actually. I am still holding Helium Mobile. Yes. Yeah, I think Helium Mobile will do okay. I mean, I'm not in it for the utility. I love the fact that what they're trying to do, but at the end of the day, I think that I've said this before, but I think that their utility is going to get met with a lot of hostility from regulators because these phone companies, these cell phone providers and service providers are going to pay politicians to try to crush something that's this disruptive, right? A company trying to create a free mobile network a decentralized mobile network, yeah, cell phone companies are going to be all over that, trying to attack it if it even starts to gain even the slightest bit of momentum. That's why I love what they're trying to do. But in the meantime, outside of their utility, I think that they're going to do very well because people love the concept that they have. So I think they'll do very well, yes. Thoughts on Move? I don't know too much about it, but like I said, guys, altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat. Unless you are a member. Chris, what's up, buddy? Hope everyone's doing amazing. Absolutely, brother. Kind of considering that $25 more Toshi. Yeah, I mean, it's a good, you can lower your cost average then, right? Picked up, that's honestly, Carrie Ann, that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing some shopping later today. There's 2 projects in particular that I've been buying. And I've been telling you guys over on the Patreon what I'm scooping up. I'm in the red on those 2, not by much, but I'm in the red on them. So I've been buying them like crazy because I'm lowering my cost average. Why not? If I'm in the red, I'm going to continue to lower that cost average and scoop up more, right? And at the same time, I'm lowering my exit price point, right? So the more I accumulate while I'm in the red and lower my exit price point, or sorry, lower my cost average, I'm also able to get out of the project at the same, or at a lower price point with the same amount of profit that I was targeting to make, right? We teach you about that stuff over on the Patreon. If you want to know how to strategically do that stuff, guys, to get out before everybody else, to make sure that your sell orders fill, right? That's what we teach you over there. We teach you how to do this stuff, right? Oh, we got another super chat here. Isaac, my guy, thank you for your time and guidance. I appreciate you. I will tip you big when I make it. You're already pre-rich, brother. You're already pre-rich. I appreciate you, my friend. You are the man with the plan, my guy. Where are we here? Picked up a gem and just joined the Patreon yesterday. Community is great. Yes, awesome. Welcome to the community, man. Welcome aboard. Fantastic. I got a video. Speaking of that, guys, I have a video coming out for the Patreon today, later today. Something I encourage you guys to watch. It's another kind of, you know, little bit of a lesson teaching moment here in crypto. So definitely check it out. You're going to want to watch it later today. Enzo, what's up, man? Good evening, everybody. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while, man. Jack, greetings from the Netherlands. Have some JASMY, XCN JASMY. Nice. There you go, man. There you go. Can you guys give me your opinion on JASMY? We love JASMY here. If you love JASMY, you're definitely in the right place. JASMY is going to do fantastic, right? I do like massive amounts of, I cover JASMY more than anyone else on YouTube covers JASMY. So you're definitely in the right place if you want some JASMY updates. So yeah. No, it's not a meme coin. Grateful for you, brother. How do I DM on Patreon? You'll have to ask somebody over there. But there's a little tab with like at the top of the right-hand side of the screen, and then you can select me and DM me. It's fairly simple. I do not have a price prediction on mobile, really. No, I don't have one. I want to be loved forever. You already are, brother. You already are, man. Hi, millionaires. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with Rune? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with Rune, brother. What is going on with Rune? What's going on with Rune? Thorchain down 41%. Oof. Took a hit today, huh? Took a hit today. It's got good tokenomics. Liquidity network. Yeah, interoperable blockchain. There you go. It's a DEX. I don't know. I don't know why it took such a hit today. Maybe something happened, but 40%, 41% dip. That's kind of violent. Holy smokes. I'm not sure, brother. We got Rob, the JASMY buyers have already 5x'd from the date, year to date. Yeah. I mean, you could roll your profits into other stuff. If you wanted to, yeah. I see a next leg up for JASMY coming soon. So I don't want to be the guy who sells right before it makes a move up to like 7 or 8 cents from where it is right now. I would really be angry if I did that, right? So yeah. But I mean, yeah, I mean, if you're in big profits, then yeah, I mean, absolutely have at her, right? When do I sell my my XCN? I am now a member of the Patreon. I'm not doing anything with my XCN until after I find out what's happening with Binance. Once I know what's going on with the Binance listing, which we could find out any day, right? That's when I'll decide when I'm moving my XCN, when I'm selling, when I'm taking profits and stuff. So right now I'm on hold until then. We also have on Monday, we have the new white paper coming out. We have more details on the XCN ledger coming out. So I may just hold and pause right now, right? Would love TA on Elastos. Yes. Okay. Let's have a look at that. EL, what is it? ELAST. Here we go. I can do that for you, broski. Let's have a look at the live chart. Let's see what's going on with this bad boy. Let's go to the daily. Oh, you got a double top right there, right off the hop. You got a double top happening, my brother. Looks like you could see more downside if this double top plays out. We're kind of ping pong trying to recover a little bit, but I mean, listen, this double top, I mean, there's a lot of theories you could go with, right? I mean, you have to see this play out a little more, but really, you could also see this come up and then back down. This could be the start of an inverse head and shoulders, which would be a pretty big move to the upside, right? But right now, you got a double top happening, and you've kind of played to the downside. So, yeah. Looks like you have some pretty solid support right in this area, though. You bouncing off. I think that this could be the start of, or you could be about halfway through a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders structure here. That's kind of what I think you could be forming. That's kind of what it looks like here, man. So it might not be a bad DCA opportunity, honestly. If we go down to the 4 hour, let's see what's happening on the smaller time frames. Yeah, it looks like you're going to move up. Kind of looks like you're going to move to the upside here. I mean, you're setting these lower highs. You've got kind of a bull panic going on here, or a symmetrical triangle, right? Got yourself a symmetrical triangle playing out here. Could still ping pong a little bit more, but I would say that a break to the upside here soon. So if this translates back over to the daily time frame, yeah, you could see the beginning of an inverse head and shoulders starting to play out here, brother. What's up, Robin T? Moto, what's going on, man? What's going on? Studio Tech, I'm late. Done my push-ups. I don't believe you. I don't believe 50 more because I don't believe you. No, I ask. Evening, Rob. Good evening. Would you rather invest in what do we got? Do you think that XCN is a great DCA, or do you think it will drop more? I mean, you could see more of a drop on XCN. If we go over to the chart, let's have a look at it. So, yeah, if you have a look at the chart here, we could come right back down to this level here at the bottom of this bull pennant here around 2 cents 8. It's not guaranteed. We could, though, and we would still be in this structure. So what I would say is DCAing would be the best option, in my opinion. Just dollar cost average, right? Alex, what's going on, man? Good to see you, man. Thoughts on move? Trump bought 4 million worth. Like I said, altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top, guys, unless you are a member. So, yeah, that's how that works. What else do we have? Un momento, por favor. Hey Rob, we had a one-on-one scheduled for last night, but I never got the link. I know you're busy, bro. No worries. I'll get you in today, man. I'll get you in today if I missed you. I thought I got everyone yesterday, but if I missed you, I'll get you today. Worth every penny. Yes, it is, man. It is. Alex says definitely Patreon worth it, especially last night's show. Yes, Patreon is phenomenal, guys. You're definitely missing out if you're not over there, for sure. There's so much that you get for $15. Like I said, most other channels charge you like $100 a month. So hey Rob, just want to say thank you. I joined a couple weeks ago and I haven't sold anything yet, just sticking to the game plan. Your exits on Pith. Ask me, guys, if you want to know my exit strategy on projects, you have to ask me on the Patreon. I don't give my exit plans to the YouTube channel. So Jasmy's always DCA next rally and can hold for it. Yes. I understand that there will be a vote on XCN to raise the rewardings for staking. Yeah, probably. We did that before, Rodney. We had a vote last time that it went down. I think it was down around like 25% or something like that last year. And we did have a proposal over on the DAO to increase it, and it passed, obviously, and that jumped the percentage back up to like 40 something percent. But now it's dropped back down to 23.5 because, you know, obviously a lot more, the community's growing and a lot more people are staking, and Justin's son staking as well, all of his. So that leads to obviously the rate going down, right? So that's phenomenal. If they're looking to increase the rate again, that's crazy, man. That's crazy bullish, guys. You know, that's crazy bullish, man. So yeah, I mean, what else do we have? Would you buy Swift now? And yes, I would. Swift is a pretty good DCA opportunity. So yeah. Rob, I keep filling my wallet with the new gem you mentioned. Love it. Just can't wait. You're a top notch and great researcher. I give you a little, we'll give you the title of PhD in crypto. You actually deserve it. Yes, crypto. I have a PhD in cryptonomics, y'all. That's right. I'm like the John Cena of the crypto world. You can't see me. Hey, Rob, what do you think about decentralized mana? Caesar is very bullish on it. I haven't looked at this token since last bull run. Yeah, I mean, it's a good project. It's definitely one of the two leaders in the metaverse plays. I would choose Mana over Sandbox for sure, because Sandbox watered down the supply and circulation in the bear market significantly, whereas Mana didn't really. So if I had to choose between the two of them, I would definitely go with Decentraland. Sandbox is a great project, though. Don't get me wrong, and they're doing good things. I made a lot of money on it in the last bull run, but we're still waiting for metaverse narrative to come back as well, right? So is it going to come back as hard? I hope so. I think so, but nothing's guaranteed, right? So, but I do like Decentraland. Yes, I do like Mana. Now I got Jasmy. Nice. XCN. We love XCN, brother. We love it. Literally have it on your screen right now. We got the DAO over there. The live stream on the Patreon is always the same day, Blatt. It's always the same day. It's around 9:30 p.m. Central every single day. Sorry. Hey, brother. $15 for your group has paid for itself 100 times over. My 10K turned into high six figures. Joining the Patreon will be the best investment you've ever made. That's awesome, Dado. That's awesome. And you know what, man? I remember our first one-on-one AMA, man. And yeah, I remember you wanted to you were hoping that we could get on that path, and here we are, brother. Right here we are, man. That's absolutely phenomenal. And hey, you know what the solid part of it is, man? We're just getting started, brother. We're just getting started, right? We're going to be rolling profits around for the next like 6 months, man. Howdy. Swift up, down. Yeah. Yes. Back to 3 cents again. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. I mean, listen, I think it's got a big leg up coming here soon, man. You just got a short. The problem is you have a short term mindset, right? And that's what's causing you to feel that way. You need to be more open minded to more of a long term mindset, man. And even long term, I'm thinking like spring, maybe fall, right? I'm not even talking years. Guys, you have to remember something here, okay? A lot of people that are newer to crypto have to start understanding something. I know that somebody along the way probably told you that crypto was a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich long scheme, not quick. Okay. It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes planning, right? And consistency. If you don't have those tools, you are always going to fail every time. Okay. If you're the type of person that gets antsy and starts making comments and videos and live streams and on X going, impatient comments like this is never going to do anything or this isn't doing it, and it pumped up and then came back down, what a waste. If you're making those kind of comments and that's how you feel, you have to start training your mind to think differently, because those are the people who get wrecked. So every time you find yourself thinking that way, you have to be able to sit down and remind yourself for a moment and say, hey, this is how I'm feeling, this is what I'm saying right now. I need to understand that the people who act that way are the ones who don't make money in this space. How do I stop myself from being in that mindset, right? You have to be consistent. You have to have a plan. You have to have patience, and you have to have conviction. If you do not have these tools, train yourself to build them, okay? You have them. Your tools are just weak right now. You have to strengthen those tools, right? Everyone has it in them to succeed in crypto. It's just whether you're willing to put in the work to strengthen the attributes of your character that you need to succeed, right? Put your emotions aside. Think logically. This isn't up right now. Or it went up and then went back down. Oh, well, but here, you know what you're missing? Here's what you're missing, okay? In the comment, here's what you're missing. You say it went up and went back down. Look at this. This is called a bullish structure. Continuing to put in higher lows consistently like that, that's how you build success in a project's price action, right? Nothing just shoots to the moon. If that's what you're expecting, I don't know who told you that's how crypto works, right? You build these levels. And listen, if you don't build this level, if this red candle didn't come down and we're not here and we just keep going up, guess what happens if we're up here at 8 cents and Bitcoin has a big dump for whatever reason? Some macroeconomic thing happens. You want to know what happens to your price up here? You plummet all the way back down here because you didn't build any support levels, right? You just shot straight up forever. So you might not like it right now. It might not be the sexiest thing in the world to be stopping to put in support levels and stuff like that, but you'll be damn thankful that you did if it comes up and then crashes back down again, right? For example, this level right here. If we, for some reason, crash because of Bitcoin right here, if this level of support, potential level of support here wasn't here, you'd crash all the way back down here. You'd be pretty pissed off about that, wouldn't you? Right? So you got to learn some patience. You got to learn some patience. Yo, Dr. Rob Future, Dr. Crypto Future. That's your title now. Nice. Do you think XCM will break out today? What would be the best coin to roll over the profits into? You got to ask me over on the Patreon and I'll let you know, man. Danny, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my guy. Good to see you, man. All the regular faces are here. I haven't seen Boomer effing Sooner yet. What's that guy doing? He's sandbagging it. Yeah, I'm Boomer. If you're watching this, man, where you at, brother? Where you at? How high could ACH get? Honestly, ACH is not one of the projects I've been watching. I did not call that one. So I honestly have no idea right now, right? But again, guys, altcoin requests go in the top of the tab that says goals, right? I'm thinking of joining the Patreon. It asked me if I have a discount code. Sorry, this question is silly. I'm new to this. There was a discount code for Christmas, but there's not one right now. So there's no discount code at the moment. We did have one at Christmas time, but that expired. They gave me one to give you guys at Christmas, and it expired after after December 31st, I think, right? TA on Turbo. I meant to ask if there was a discount code. As you can see, I can't type either. No problem, green tea, sweet tea. Hey Rob, do you know if open custody protocol is any good? Open custody protocol, that sounds familiar. I think I looked at this the other day or something. It's only got a $5 million market cap. Tokenomics are okay. All-time high of $9. I don't think it's going back then. It's down 99.9%. I don't know. It looks kind of sketch to me. I don't know why. Why would it still be down 99.9% from the all-time high and in the last bull run? It should have moved up at least a little bit at this point. I don't know, Rosa. I don't know. Any info on SwiftCoin? Yeah, we were just looking. Yeah, we're looking at SwiftCoin on your screen right now. A lot of people are conflicted about the integration of that DeepSeek into the AI agent on Swift's bridgers. I like it though. I think it's bullish in terms of potential for profit, right? So yeah. Does the market usually crash at the end of March or before that? If you go back in the charts, usually it crashes sometime around the between the middle of April and the middle of May is usually when that crash starts to come. Hello from the UK. UK in the house. What's up, man? I'm a member. Can you talk about XYO? Tell me your thoughts and price prediction in pretty heavy. Yeah, I can look at XYO for you, man. Let's have a look at XYO. I haven't looked at XYO in a while. I'm bullish on XYO, if that helps you. I don't own any of it, but I am bullish on it. Let's go to the chart and have a look. I already know about the utility and all that stuff, so I don't need to know that, but I can look at the chart for you, man. Yeah, what do we got? We're kind of in a descending channel here, man. So the structure looks bullish. I mean, outside of this massive pump and dump that we had right there, right? For whatever reason, I don't know what happened there, but you are in a bullish setup. You are in a bullish setup here. I would say, honestly, your next move out of this, potential bull flags probably. I mean, if you broke out right here, your breakout would be somewhere probably around that 3 cent 85 level, something like that, for your next move up. Something like that, yeah. You're in a bullish structure. You're in a bullish setup, but you might come back down a little bit. You may continue to ping pong because here's the thing. Usually when we have these structures, you want to have 3 touches on the top, right? So you have 1, you have 2. You might have to, do this a little bit more first before you get the breakout to get that 3rd touch. And then you're going to break to the upside. You might come back here to retest the top of the trend line to confirm the breakout before continuing on. But you're in a bullish structure. You're in a bullish structure here. So you could see a move up soon. Rocky, who are you? I'm Batman. I am Batman. What's your opinion on Caesar saying Swift could reach $1? I think that Caesar is a very, very, very talented TA guy. And you know what? I put a lot of stock in what he says. Now, listen, I'll say this on his behalf. He's not a financial advisor, nor am I. And I know that he wouldn't want you to take it as written in stone that that's what he's saying it's going to go to. He's speaking potential, right? So always remember that. But yeah, you know what? I watched his video on Swift and the video that you're referencing right now. And, his charting is accurate in terms of the potential of where it could go. I agree with what he says, right? So that's what I would say about that. But again, you have to understand that he's not telling you it's going to go there. He's telling you it's possible, right? So always remember that. So yeah. Signed up for the Patreon membership, but went there and all the videos are locked. Because you're on the free side, right? You have to be a paying member of the Patreon to get the videos. If they're locked, it means that you are not on the pay side. So that would be the reason for that. What else do we have? What else going on out there? What's happening with Jasmy? Give us the good word, man. She's getting ready to go, man. She's getting ready to go, in my opinion. Unfortunately we've fallen back down below the 30-day SMA, but we're testing the 100-day SMA as support now. Because Bitcoin fell below 101,000 briefly. It's back up over 101 now, but it was enough to push the altcoins down a little bit. So, like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing some DCAing as soon as this live stream's over. I'll put my buy alerts over on the Patreon. Yeah, Jasmy's falling back inside this structure. And you know what? The thing is, I covered this morning, I said that if Ethereum failed its retest of its support level, then Jasmy and everything else was going to fall back down with it, right? So I'm going to look at Ethereum right now because Ethereum probably failed to backtest its breakout, which is bringing the altcoins with it, right? So let's go look at Ethereum. Yeah, see, we're back at 3,195. It failed to maintain 32. Ethereum needs to break above and close above $3,250, right? Right now, we are rejecting off. We just rejected off of this. Listen, it's a bullish structure right now. We are in a bullish structure. But as you can see, we are rejecting off the top of the trend line and coming back down in Ethereum. That's what's pulling the altcoins back down with it, right? Especially the ERC20. So we could come back, continue to ping pong here for another week or so before, maybe half a week or something, a week before retesting the top of the trend line again. We got to break out, right? And then retest the top of the trend line to confirm the breakout before we go. So that's why Jasmy's falling right now, because Ethereum failed the breakout. Don't buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. There you go. Yes. Where's the best place to stake XCN? On the Onyx Coin protocol. On the XCN protocol. Hey, Rob, good evening from GP Mobile Coin. Good project. Yes, it is. I hold Mobile. It's a great project. I think it'll do fine. Leo, what's going on, brother? Beebs, Rob Max gave you a shout out in his latest Swift video. Did he really? I'm going to have to go check it out, man. Was he talking smack? I love that guy. XCN white paper launches on Monday. Do you expect price to go up? It depends on what it says, really. I mean, the price could go up depending on, if it's bullish, then yeah, who knows? Maybe they have some good surprises in there that people didn't anticipate, and all of a sudden it looks, it could look phenomenal, right? So yeah, it's entirely possible. We have 4 catalysts coming for XCN here in the short term, right? We have the potential Binance listing. We have the white paper coming out. We have an update and information on the XCN ledger. We have the potential of World Liberty Financial putting XCN on its balance sheets and in its portfolio. One of the reasons is Justin Sun is one of the advisors on the board, right? And he now has a financially vested interest in the project succeeding, right? In saying that, it's also a made in USA coin, and Trump seems to be scooping up a whole bunch of made in USA altcoins and stuff. So it stands a pretty good chance of getting listed or getting added to Trump's World Liberty Financial's portfolio, right? Swift will drop back down to 2 cents 7. Wait, don't go in green cows. Yeah, if it does, listen, then it's a good DCA opportunity, right? So that's the way I look at it, guys. I'm going to be doing some shopping today. Meta plays are for the 2026 time, just my opinion. 2026 is going to be a bear market, Funky. It's going to be a bear market, brother. Thoughts on Caesar's Dogecoin TA? I haven't seen his Dogecoin TA video. I never watched it. I have not had time to see it yet. I only managed to catch his Bitcoin, his XCN, and his Swift ones last night. Mana will do numbers like Caesar said. Nice. Probably. He's fantastic, guys. He's fantastic. Jasmy's killing us. Oh, it's fine. It's fine, man. I might scoop some more up today if it keeps going down. Why not, right? I'm up huge on Jasmy. I told you guys, I dropped 10K into Jasmy before it broke out. I told you guys the breakout was coming. I put 10 grand into it. Some of you guys believed me. Some of you guys didn't believe me, but I mean, I made a huge profit on that, right? I made like a 40% return on that 10 grand, right? And I told you guys it was coming. So, that's the thing, right? What's the best price to come in on? Jasmy's a good DCA opportunity right now. I just wouldn't DCA super heavy, right? Manny, Jasmy is dead. Okay, well, short it to zero if it's dead. Show me your conviction. Show me you've done your research. Show me you know what you're talking about, and short it to zero and prove your work, right? Put your money where your mouth is. March and May is my alt profit. Nice. There you go, man. Studio Attack, XEN, and Chain got a lot of money. Rob, someone from the elites are backing this project. They're printing money. Yes, exactly. I did a video this morning on XCN. Some of it was on XCN. And courtesy of Jetpack, you guys know Jetpack, sent me some proof about their connections, XCN, Onyx Coins connections, and Swift Coins connections with Visa, right? Imagine those scammed by Trump coin. Yeah, that's right, dude. That's right. Didn't Trump sell his meme coin today? He doesn't own it anymore. He sold it. Yeah, that's greasy, man. That sucks. A lot of people got wrecked on that. What did it do? What did I'm going to pull it up because I forgot it. I heard that this morning. Trump official. Yeah, he sold it. It's down 19% on the day. Oof. That one stings, guys. That's why you don't mess with that stuff, right? Look at this. If you got in on this early, I mean, awesome, right? But everybody else, look at that chart. Everybody else just got wrecked, right? And now he sold it and doesn't have it anymore. This thing shot all the way up to $76.90, and now it's $19.69. Man, that sucks. That sucks. And look at all the sells. Look at all the selling. Whale selling, right? Everybody's abandoning the project. Another whale sold. Two more whales, right? Wow, dolphin. Jeez. Look at all those sells. No buy orders. No one's buying. Nobody's buying it. Everyone's bailing. Look at that. Man. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Brother Rob, I checked out the latest video on Swift from Caesar. If I recall right, he's got Swift going to $8 to $9. No, I mean, he said in the most bullish, unrealistic. I watched that video too. He said in the most bullish scenario possible, is what the fibs were saying. But he also said that he laughed and said, like, I mean, that's probably not going to happen, right? So, yeah. So, yeah, that's what I mean. Sometimes, some things people say can completely get misconstrued, right? M. John Cena, bro. Another good live, bro. Lots of respect from England again. Nice. England in the house. Thank you. Tomatoes. Thank you so much, brother. You think John Cena's winning the Royal Rumble tonight? Guys, let me know in the chat. Who is winning the Royal Rumble tonight? I got to know. Nobody got scammed by Trump coin. It's doing what cryptos do. Some got wrecked. I think that what he's referring to in terms of the scam on Trump coin is that I heard this morning that Trump sold the coin. He doesn't own it anymore. He sold it. He's not involved anymore. He abandoned the project from what I understand. I could be wrong. That's what I heard, right? These people need to just sell their JASMY and move on since they got no patience. I wouldn't waste. Well, I mean, a lot of people are newer. That's the thing. A lot of people are newer, and they need that guidance. They need that, that reassurance. They need that help, right? So I try to be that northern light. I try to be that that guiding kind of light to help people because they don't understand, right? So I try to help them understand because I want everyone to have the opportunity to succeed in crypto, right? Because it can truly change lives, especially for people who have families or struggling for many reasons, right? I want to help everybody. I do. Anybody worried? Just sell and leave the space. Wasting valuable time that Rob could be giving info. Jess, hey Rob, thanks for all your help. I've been in other Patreons, Discords, etc., but yours is by far the best. Thank you, Jess. I appreciate that. I noticed Rob's gems never fall too far down, while the popular cryptos always go down. Yeah, it's funny how that works out, eh? It's funny how that works. Dustin, yo, late, but I'm here. There you go, brother. 50 push-ups. Haas in the house. What's up, my guy? Yes, I do think it could. I didn't make it to the last live night from the sounds of it. It was entertaining. It was entertaining. I'll say that. Okay. It was entertaining. Sweet tea, thank you. No problem. What's up, brother? Mohammed in the house. Big fan of open custody protocol. There you go. It's up to you, Rob, but I wouldn't waste another breath. Fudders are going to FUD. Yeah, fudders are going to FUD. You're absolutely right. I've told this story 100 times before. People ask me how I got involved in JASMY. And you just said, like, fudders are going to FUD. Ironically, I'm in JASMY because of fudders, right? Because of fudders. And what I mean by that is I didn't know anything about JASMY before, but I saw a post on X one day calling JASMY a rug pull back when the price of JASMY, plummeted when they dropped a bunch of the tokens into circulation. So I was like, a rug pull. So I went and looked at it, and it didn't really fit the description of a rug pull, right? Because a rug pull is when the team sucks all the liquidity out of the project and runs away. That's a rug pull, right? So I know that a lot of people in crypto, they don't use terminology properly, right? They just say everything's a rug pull, not even knowing what the definition of rug pull means. It's the same thing with people who use the term market cap that don't even know what market cap is, right? But I digress. So I started investigating JASMY, and the first thing I looked at was the team. And I looked at Ondo, and I was like, okay, this man ran Sony for decades, right? So I used logic, right, in Ondo. So this man helped contribute to making Sony a household name for decades, shared a stage with the likes of Steve Jobs, okay? So, and he built an entire career, an entire lifetime career as now an elderly man who's still working, only to rug pull a meme coin? That doesn't make any sense. Why would he do that, right? That's like saying, Elon Musk has worked all his life, built this whole thing, created a meme coin, created a project, and then rug pulled everyone for the money. You'd be like Elon Musk needs the money from a rug pull. Like that doesn't make any sense, right? So I investigated further and further. The more I discovered, the more bullish I became on the project. And now I run the largest JASMY-centric YouTube channel, bar none. So the haters of JASMY actually, ironically, ended up birthing the biggest JASMY content creating channel on YouTube. So if you're a hater of JASMY, you created a monster, right? Studio Tech, Rob, they should sell their positions in JASMY. Good point, Senor Rob. Good point. I won't discuss the gems on YouTube, guys. Hey, Rob, I have $600 split between XCN, ACH, and JASMY to grow a bag. Do you recommend holding or investing it all in something else? I am on your Patreon, but the UK, so it's very late. So you're split between, you have $600 split between. So you have $600 divided by 3, so $200 in each project essentially. I think you're spread pretty thin if that's the case. I would just pick one, right, that you think has the most potential. If you only have $600, that's what I would do if it was me. Andy, what's going on, my guy? What's going on, man? Yeah, I think that I don't know about over Brett, but I think both will probably end up getting listed because they both have massive communities behind them, right? And all these exchanges care about is collecting fees, from the trading of them, right? So I would say, yeah, they'll both probably get listed just so that Coinbase can make money, right? So that's what I would say to that. Wise Mind, what's going on, man? Love your channel, brother. Thank you so much, my guy. Thank you so much. Thoughts on AMP? I think AMP is a good project, but I think that AMP's big run was last bull run, right? I think that AMP won't have as good returns this time around as it did last time, right? I already read that. Thanks, Rob, for Open Protocol was known as and then they integrated. Interesting. Brandon, trying to find the Patreon. The link to the Patreon is in the chat. It's literally, I'm literally posting it right now. It's like from your post that you just made, it's 2 posts down. February is going to be a good month. I hope so, man. I hope so. I agree. Jasmy at 2 cents 99. Yep. Good scoop up opportunity, guys. Dumpy February. I saw your video on Swift and Visa partnership. That's not Swift. It's the cross-border payment Swift. I don't know, man. Swift does cross-border payments as well. That's why they call it the XRP of Japan, my friend. That's not the Swift payment system you're thinking of. That's an old antique system, right? That doesn't need a partnership with Visa. Since ETH failed, the favorite color of the day is red. Yeah, exactly. Cool. This live stream is only dedicated to marketing the Patreon and praising everyone who's in it. I'll go watch someone else who reports facts. Okay, bye. See you later. Don't let the door hit you in the ass on the way out. Brand just joined. Nice. Welcome aboard. Hey, Rob. Nice to see you again. Paul, nice to see you, brother. Bought Swift on the dip this morning, but sold early. How low will it? I have no idea, Hangman. I have no idea. I'm hoping it's holding support where it is, but it depends on Bitcoin. Ethereum failed to break out, so we'll see, right? Got the bags packed and the baby oil ready. Don't ask. Any thoughts on linear finance? I don't know anything about it, man. I don't know anything about it. We're talking about Helium Mobile or a different. Yeah, we're talking about Helium Mobile. Yes. Crypto Renaissance says, join the Patreon. It's definitely worth the $15. The gems Rob gives could make you millions. If you're loading the bags, $15 is nothing. Yeah, exactly. That is the perspective. Exactly. Right. We've literally turned so many people into 6 and 7 digit portfolios for $15. It's definitely, if that's too much, then I don't know if you're ever going to be a millionaire, right? Right. What do we have? Masked Man, what's the best case scenario for XCN? A white paper in terms of new technologies, use cases, etc. Man, I don't know. They could surprise the hell out of us, right? But they could be talking about some sort of integration with Visa. There's so many positives that could come. Further integration, I should say, with Visa, stuff like that. For example, the XCN ledger, is going to be big, right? So I don't know what's going to go along with that. Are they going to try to launch a stable coin on the XCN ledger or something? I mean, there's so many possibilities, right? Elizabeth, thank you, Rob. No days off. Exactly. I know Bear Market 2026 built a metaverse project will start to populate the realms. Oh, there you go. There you go, man. Holding all of them, and I'm happy. Yes, nice. That's how it's done, man. I'm a huge VR gamer. Nice. You know what? I'm a huge gamer, Vunky, but I've never tried VR. I haven't tried it yet. I just never have time, to be honest with you, to try it. But I would like to. I'd like to check it out. I see all these videos of people with the VR headsets on, and they're like running into walls and stuff like that. And I'm like, how do you forget that you're in a room? But I guess, I guess it's pretty cool. So I got to check it out at some point, man. Do you think XRP will stay below $3 by the close of the day? Yeah, probably. Ethereum just failed a breakout, so I think alts are probably going to have another little bit of a leg down. So that's why I said in the video it's a good DCA day today, right? In the title. A lot of people are talking about mobile, not only on your channel but others as well. Does that make you any more bullish? I'm not more or less bullish on it. I've always thought it will do okay. Like I said, I've held a bag for a while. So I think most people are talking about it right now because it had a big pump earlier in the week, right? It had a big run up. That's probably why people are talking. It's just clout chasing, right? Just got my gas fee refunded. Yeah, they just dropped their gas fee refunds back as well. Yep, they did that today. I saw that announcement. So if you voted or you staked or you're participating on the DAO in any way, you should have got your Ethereum airdrop back today to your wallet. They don't announce it. They don't give you some sort of notification. It just gets dropped in. So you might not notice unless you actually keep track of how much Ethereum you're holding, right? Tariffs drive down markets tomorrow and push crypto down with it for a while. Tomorrow, a big deal. I think I wouldn't be as worried about tomorrow, them driving it down, as I would be on Monday when markets open. That is probably when it's really going to drive down everything down. I took advantage of JASMY dipping and scooped up a little more, following the way of the master, Obi-Wan Rob Nobi. Nice. These are not the droids you're looking. These are not the meme coins you're looking for. Bullish on Fetch AI. I think that they've lost a lot of their momentum from the merge, but they could get it back. BlackRock owns XCN. There you go. Trump sold for ETH, only had $420 in it. Up in smoke it went. Yes, poof. BTC headed down, taking most things with it, hopefully just short term. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's still holding strong above $101,000. Ethereum's what's dragging everything down right now, right? Ethereum is the thing that's pulling everything down. It rejected. Ethereum tried a breakout this morning and it failed. If you can see, right? It tried and failed to break out here, rejected off. Now we've pulled back down around that. Yeah. So that's kind of what we're watching right now. Yeah, we broke out and then we needed to confirm the breakout and we did not do that. So patience, grasshopper. Rudy, I really enjoy Uso winning this Rumble. Which one, Jimmy or Jay? Oh, Jay, sorry. You really hope Jay Uso wins this Rumble, redeeming himself after losing to Gunther. Yeah, here's the thing, Rudy. They're really, really, I think that what they're going to continue to do is I think they're really going to continue to have Jay Uso fail and fail and fail and fail, because when he finally wins, I think that not this year at WrestleMania, not this coming WrestleMania, but the following one, I think they're going to continue to drag Jay Uso through the mud, losing every opportunity to build up to when he finally wins the big one, right? They got to build it up over time. That seems to be the new case for the WWE. So probably a year from this WrestleMania, you'll see Jey Uso win like the U.S. title or the Intercontinental title or something like that, right? That's what I think that they're going to do. Build up his losses and make the victory that much bigger of a deal, right? Which is genius, right? I didn't put Trump in Nancy tactics. He's just as greedy. Financial services. BMO Financial Services. Rob, what's up? Ty, what's up, buddy? I know it's getting cliche to say, but is this the final shakeout? It's the final shakeout before the next shakeout. Seth Rollins for the win. There you go. There you go, man. I could see it. I think, you know what I think? Seth Rollins needs to heel turn, but like a tweener, right? Because the crowd will still love him. Don't turn on the crowd, but be a heel to the other workers, right? That would be like a Stone Cold type thing, right? Okay, looks like Jasmine just fell below. Yes, it did. Tariffs make no sense. Trump will kill all markets. Everything he touches dies. Okay. Rug pull Trump coin. Good afternoon. You're right. BTC pulling down the market just enough. ETH right now, 32 line. Yeah, it crashed below. Had no idea about any of this. There you go. Broski, Brofasa, Brotato. No idea if Toshi is going to get listed on Binance. No idea. I mean, it's possible. Already answered that about Fetch AI. All right, guys, we've been going for about an hour and a half now. So I think I'm going to go eat lunch. All right, guys. Yeah, I will be live later today, guys. Make sure you're getting over to the Patreon. We will be live over there tonight. I am digging up another gem right now for the Patreon crew, guys. We're almost finished accumulating one that we believe is going to move like XCN. So definitely get over there, guys. The link is down below. Join us for our Patreon live streams and schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So, yeah, I'll see you guys over there later tonight on the Patreon. I have a video coming out there today as well for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tonight over on the Patreon. Peace.